I think that at this point in time, with the amount of disease that we see in the spread of the ticks, that it's really imperative that the medical community and the veterinary community start comparing notes and doing something in cooperating to exchange information that will help prevent not just pets, but people from getting Lyme. For example, if you have dogs and cats, they can bring unattached ticks into the home. Now, this can be problematic because those unattached ticks, they just crawl off that pet and crawl in your bed or get on you or on your child and bite you. So people need to be warned of that. They don't think about that. They don't think about that at all. Additionally, if you know that your dog, for example, has a case of Lyme disease, somehow that should be able to be transmitted to your physician, whether it's through the veterinarians in some way, that they can have some kind of a website that perhaps could connect them and they could put it in there. Obviously, I don't know how that would relate to any privacy issues, but maybe that would alert physicians. And physicians should become more knowledgeable and ask questions such as, do you have a cat? Do you have a dog? Now, cats, by the way, can get Lyme disease. It's been shown in the laboratory that they can. They get it less frequently, probably because of their grooming, but no one really knows if that's the case. But sometimes people think cat owners are not at risk. However, cats do carry in a lot of unattached ticks, and I can vouch for that being a cat owner. And also, by the way, my cat did develop Lyme disease about 2 years ago. Took her into the vet, she was promptly treated, had no difficulty getting treated for Lyme disease. I had pulled off 3 ticks, 2 of them were engorged, 1 pretty fully engorged. And so it is problematic, but we need to have that communication between the veterinarians and the doctors in some way, and perhaps they could develop some kind of a data sheet that could say, for example, ask your, your patients, are you a pet owner? And if you are, and then maybe the veterinarians could add the kinds of things they need to be on the lookout for.